What is boutique medicine?
Yeah, boutique medicine
Sounds
or
fancy.
concierge medicine
Yeah.
are physicians who leave their traditional conventional practice to basically they stop taking insurance.
Yeah.
And there are lots of very good reasons why some
Right.
doctors do that. And I'll tell you, some of my very, very close friends who are great doctors, they have tons and tons of patients. And when they're looking at their traditional practice where they have to do all this paperwork and not get paid and, you know, all these kinds of things, and can have 200 or 300 patients and make tons of money and live a very nice lifestyle, you know, it's very difficult when you have to choose between those two, because you want to help as many people as you can, but you also want to be there for your children and, you know, live your life.
Yeah.
And fortunately or unfortunately, fortunately for them, unfortunately for us, a lot of these people are leaving conventional practice and doing this type of care, and what does that mean for us that are going to need those doctors one day? They're not there. You know, they're difficult for us to access because they don't accept our insurance. So in many ways, we are like a concierge practice because we also don't accept insurance, and the reason is not because the insurance won't pay us. They will. They just don't pay us enough.
Yeah.
You know, we spend an hour and a half with a patient. They basically want us to see patients in 15 or 20 minutes.
Yeah.
So it just doesn't work in a business, you know. And unfortunately, that's the model that we're in right now. And we do, however, in our practice, we give a lot of care to indigent patients who can't pay. We've actually arranged for barters with some patients, which is a lot of fun, by the way. And we've given patients discounts.
old-fashioned.
You know, so we will almost never turn away a patient. I mean, actually, it's never happened. We've never turned away a patient.
Well, before we go on a little bit more, we have to take another break right now. We're going to go back to WBCB and take a short break. You're listening to Speak Your Piece, and sponsored by the Endoscopy Center at St. Mary. Don't be afraid to look inside. It could save your life. And you could schedule an appointment at St. Mary's Endoscopy Center by calling 215-750-7700. And we will be right back.